Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Next up, we got this beautiful single cab Silverado in. It's already been lowered and sitting just where the customer wants it. We're not messing with the suspension today. Today we're gonna repair a cross member. The manhole covers down in Tampa area, they don't play around. They grabbed this one and bent the crap out of it that's currently on the truck. This one's the replacement one. We might even go ahead and section it, that way it won't happen again. And then we're gonna go ahead and possibly have to repair the ears on the transmission cross member to the frame. So we'll go ahead and get this thing jacked up in the air and we'll get your camera down there and show you guys what's going on. Now that it's in the air, let's take a look and see what's going on under here. Ooh, yummy. All right. As y'all can see, yeah, yummy. That looks great. So we'll go ahead and get the transmission supported, and then we'll start taking this cross member out. With a little bit of manipulation, it's out. You can really see the difference. This one's definitely bananaed. We're gonna need a new transmission mount. We'll run up and grab that. I'll probably wait until we get the transmission in, or the cross member in, excuse me. But whatever you guys need, repairs, notches, drops, hit me up. I don't just do welding. I'll take care of you. We'll get this truck right. We'll get all your trucks right. All right, let me show y'all what we got going on so far. Can't really put the camera under there or you're not gonna be able to see. So, we got one side bolted in, somewhat kind of straightened out a little bit on the other side. To finish it off, as you see, it's a little misaligned. We're gonna use a 10,000 pound strap. And we're going to strap it to the front of the frame and see if we can use the leverage of that cross member to bend this side frame, this side of the frame, excuse me, this side of the cross member mount straightened out, and then I'll swap them. I'll put this side into that mount, drop that side, and then we'll tweak that one. We'll see what we can do to get this thing straightened out for them. Then we'll get a new transmission mount, as that one was completely ripped apart. So we'll continue getting this. along the way and show you guys where I'm at. I have this side bolted up with one bolt. And I don't know if you saw, but I had the strap on the other side. And it's, yeah, it's a little scary under there. Strapping, tightening that strap as tight as you can and hoping it don't snap or come loose. But this side is up on here. And I've got it past where it belongs. And then I'm gonna pull it tighter a little bit more because that bracket right there needs bent in just a hair. But so far so good. We'll get this one finished up and let this guy go back to Tampa or South Tampa, somewhere down there. Keep on coming on up. I'll take care of you. I had to run up to the store real quick and grab a new transmission mount. This one that was on there decided to completely separate. So we got a brand new one. And we're also gonna go ahead and add the jump seat out of Pete into this truck. I went ahead and upgraded to a console. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in this truck as they just have the piece that doesn't move. So now they can have a jump seat and some storage. All right, transmission cross member is in. The new transmission mount is in. I'll go ahead and show y'all. Got it as straight as we could. It's still maybe a degree. Oh, not even, yeah. Maybe a degree. Twisted a hair, but we got it straight as we can. You can go ahead and pull that cross member if you need without fighting it. And like I said, there's a new transmission mount in there. Got the old nut off the old cross member as you saw. So now we'll go ahead and put this thing back on the floor and we'll start swapping out them seats. All right, that's it. See, here's the seat that was in there before. It's solid. There's no folding, no nothing. So now the jump seat of the center console is in there and it looks good. Now you can fold it up as needed if he needs for more room. All right, transmission mount's done. Center console's in. He's going back home. Thanks for watching, everybody.